Let's start the new topic with a reading session. The name of the topic is Feathers of the Birds. The birds have wings of different shapes and sizes. They are covered with different color feathers. The feathers of the birds are helpful in recognizing them. Three kinds of feathers are found on the bird's body. There are body feathers, down feathers, and flight feathers. The body feathers, B-O-D-Y, body, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Body feathers cover the entire body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Down feathers, D-O-W-N, down, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Down feathers lie next to the bird's skin. They are short and soft feathers and keep the body of the bird warm. Flight feathers, F-L-I-G-H-T, flight, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Flight feathers are found on the wings and tail of the bird. They help the bird to fly. The feathers found on the tail help the bird change its direction while flying.